Okay, this is question 21 from Chemistry IDHL. The question is asking something about rate of reaction and equilibrium. Which statement is correct? Uh, Option A, rate constant, small k, is independent of temperature and is deduced from equilibrium constant Kc. Option B is the rate constant is independent of temperature and the overall reaction determines its units. Option C is the rate constant, small k, is temperature dependent and deduced from the equilibrium constant Kc. And option D, the values of rate constant k is temperature dependent and overall reaction order determine its units. So we must choose one of these options. To answer this question, we need to look at the Arrhenius equation. Then there's a formula for rate constant. K is equals to A E power EA, that's the activation energy, over RT. Sorry, negative EA over RT. A is a constant, which you get it from the experiment. EA is the activation energy, R is the gas constant, and T is temperature in Kelvin. So it's affected by temperature, which means option A and option B are wrong. That means we just need to choose between C and D. Because C and D says that small k is temperature dependent. Then we need to see whether the this reaction constant is affected by the overall order. So rate is equals to K times consumption of reactant power N. N is the overall order. So if we sub in different values of N, the K will be affected. For example, if N equals to 0, the unit of K will be mole dm minus 3 s minus 1. If N equals to 1, which means it's first order, the unit for K will be s minus 1. If it is a second order, which means N equals to 2, rate equals to, the units of K will be dm cubed, mole minus 1 and s minus 1. That's why the answer is D, because the overall reaction order is affected by the unit is affected by overall reaction order.